Good morning, students. In the previous session, we had discussed that text functions can be categorized as of two types, case manipulation functions and character manipulation functions. In case manipulation functions, we had discussed U case, upper, L case, lower, and in character manipulation functions, we had discussed substring function in the previous session. In this session, we will discuss about length function, left, right, instring, ltrim, rtrim, and trim functions. So, in class 12th, we are going to discuss only these text functions, that is U case, upper, L case, lower, mid, substring, str, length, left, right, instring, ltrim, rtrim, and trim. Length function. Length function takes one argument, that is a string, and it returns the length of the string which is given in the parentheses. So, example is select length within parentheses or the round brackets, string is given text. It will give the output as 4 because it has 4 characters. Right function takes two arguments, that is string and n. N is the numeric value. Right returns the rightmost n number of characters from the string str, or null if any argument is null, means if either the string is null, not given, not defined, or n is not defined, then it gives null as the output. For example, select right. Here we have taken string as a toolbar, comma 3. It will give you the output as bar, means because in toolbar the rightmost 3 characters are bar. One more example, select right, toolbar, comma null. It will give you the null value as output because n is null here. One more example, select right, null, comma 2. Here string is not defined, string is taken as a null, so it will return null, null. Similar to right, there is one more function which is left. Left takes again two arguments, string and n. N is the number of characters, it is a numeric value. Left returns the leftmost n characters from the string str, or null if any argument is null. Examples, select left, toolbar, comma 4. It gives tool as the output because 4 characters from the left hand side is TOOL. Similarly, select left, toolbar, comma null. It will give you the output as null because instead of n we have taken null as the argument. Next, select left, null, comma 2. Here string is null and number of characters are 2, but string is null, that's why it is giving you the output null. In-string function. In-string function syntax is instr bracket start str string, whatever string is there, that it is a group of characters, comma substring. Substring can also be a single character or a group of characters. In-string function returns the position of first occurrence of the substring which is given in the function as a second argument in the string which is given in the first argument. So example, select in string, comma hello world, comma O. in this there are two O's, but output you can see is here 5, because this function will return the first occurrence of the substring. Here it is the single character, that is O. That is it at the 5th position. That's why it is giving you 5 as the output. One more example. Select in string x bar comma y bar. Here string is x bar and substring is y bar. It is giving the output 0 because y bar is not available in the first string, which is x bar. It will match the whole substring in the string given. So output is 0. Another example, select in string hello world world comma world. Again, in this case, world first occurrence is starting at 6th position, so it is giving you the output as 6. Ltrim. It takes single argument, that is string, as a input. It returns string str with the leading spaces characters removed, means जो स्टार्टिंग पे अगर कोई भी वाइट स्पेस कैरेक्टर्स हैं, ब्लैंक्स हैं, स्पेसेस हैं, that will be removed. Select Ltrim. You can say here two spaces are there before hello world, and in the output you will see the spaces are removed and hello world is being displayed. Rtrim. It takes again single argument string. It returns the string str with trailing spaces removed. Trailing spaces means the spaces at the end will be removed. Example, select rtrim hello world. After that two spaces are there, but in the output no space at the end is there. Keep in mind it will only remove the trailing spaces. If there is any space in between, that will not be removed with the rtrim function. Trim function, it trims leading or trailing or both spaces from character string, which is given as an argument to this function. If none of the specifiers, both leading or trailing, is given, then by default both is taken. Let us see an example. Select trim and string given is hello with the leading and trailing spaces both. So output is hello here because by default both is taken, and it is trimming both leading as well as trailing spaces. Next example, select trim leading x. X is for the substring. X from 3 times x hello then triple x is there in a string. Output is hello triple x. It is trimming, it is removing the leading x character, so output is as shown hello xxxx. Next example, select trim both x from given string. You can see from the output both x either from the trailing end or the leading x are being deleted or being removed. One more example, select trim trailing xxx from the given string. Again output is like it is removing all the x from at the right hand side. Next example, select trim h from hello world. It will trim or remove h from the given string, and the output will be ELLO world. And then do the assignment which is also given along with this video.